Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section. And with all that being said, we are just taking a quick look at XRP on our daily time frame. As we can see recently, we've had quite a decent amount of chop for XRP in and around this 50 cent level. Obviously, we're in a bit of a range still in a range, to be honest, at this level of support. This huge coiling motion that we have been seeing for years and years and years starting to come to fruition. Oh, you'll have to excuse me. I've got a little bit of a sinus infection, I think, so my nose is like completely effed at the minute. But as you can see, continuously backtesting this level of support here as we slowly move up through our levels. And right now we are sitting at around 50 cents waiting for a big move in the market. Bitcoin right now is leading altcoins down, absolutely destroying the altcoin market in general. And overall, you would say XRP looking like it's basically doing something quite similar. Right now it's just getting, it's not really getting any momentum to the upside whatsoever as Bitcoin continues to chop sideways. We've seen basically every single crypto that I've been looking at that's an altcoin has been bleeding to the downside. Pretty much all the ones that are highly coupled with Bitcoin, any of the top 100 cryptos, top 200, they've all been just going down. So really XRP's probably been holding better than most just because of the sheer size of it. But right now, really is starting to reach a decision time. Where are we going to go next? Are we going to bounce back up to resistance? Are we finally going to break down from support here and go down towards 30 cents like a lot of people seem to think we will? Or are we going to see that SEC lawsuit confirmation absolute moon to the upside? Let's see what we can do, provided that Bitcoin doesn't shit itself.